Good morning, students. We are going to do the chapter The Enemy by Pearl S. Buck. Now this chapter or this story, you can say, is the time of the World War II. It highlights us about a Japanese doctor. ये स्टोरी वर्ल्ड वॉर II के बारे में है. इसमें जो जापानीज डॉक्टर सडाओ है वो किस तरह एक अमेरिकन प्रिजनर की लाइफ सेव करता है. इन दोज डेज द जापानीज यूज्ड टू हेट द अमेरिकन्स एंड दैट इज व्हाई दे थॉट दैट एनीवन who came on their island, if it is an American, should be killed. Now this doctor is in a dilemma. वो एक dilemma में है, confusion में है कि what should I do? Should I not save this American or should I save him? अब उसके जो as a citizen, as a patriotic, his patriotism was telling him not to save the American because they hated the Americans. While उसका profession वो कह रहा था कि you are a doctor and your profession says that you have to serve the humankind, the mankind. So you have to go above your prejudices and all, and then you have to save him. So this is the story which tells us how the doctor, he wins over his profession, how for humanism he saves the American prisoner. Now this story is taking place on the coastal town of Japan. It is about in the year 1941 when Japan had attacked the Pearl Harbor. So because Japan had attacked the Pearl Harbor, there was a war between America and Japan, and these Japanese were very hostile towards the Americans. वो Americans की तरफ बहुत hostile थे. They were just ready to kill any American whom they found on their land. The theme of this story, the enemy, it gives us a message that humanism can transform any man and is superior over all prejudice and barriers. कहना है कि ह्यूमैनिज्म, इंसानियत इतनी बड़ी है कि वो हर बैरियर को ओवरकम करके अपने आप को सुपीरियर साबित कर सकती है. डॉक्टर सडाओ ऑल्सो अपहोल्ड्स द एथिक्स. वो अपने प्रोफेशन के जो एथिक्स थे उनको इन सब से ऊपर लेके और उस एनिमी को ट्रीट करता है. ही ट्रीट्स द एनिमी. सो दिस लेसन इज अबाउट पीस, लव, sympathy, fellow feeling and humanism. So that is the message that has been given in the story, that there should be peace, there should be love, and there should be sympathy, and you should have feeling towards all mankind. Now the main characters of this story are Dr. Sadao, who is a Japanese doctor, but he was trained in America. Sadao's father, who is concerned about his son's education, but is a true patriot, a true traditional and cultural person. Hana is the wife of Dr. Sadao. They both had met each other in America, but they came back to Japan, and that is where they got married. Then Tom is the American prisoner whom Dr. Sadao had saved. Then the old general. He is a general of the Japanese army who was sick and who trusted only Dr. Sadao, who needed any operation, otherwise he could have died. Officer is the messenger of the general. Then Dr. Sadao has 3 persons in his house. One is a gardener, one is Yumi, and one is the cook. They all leave him during when this prisoner is brought in their house. Now, the story is about Sadao, a Japanese surgeon. He had studied in America. His father had sent him to America to do doctorate. When he comes back, he marries Hana, a Japanese girl, but both of them had met in America. दोनों एक दूसरे से अमेरिका में मिले थे. But they come to Japan, they get married here according to their traditional way, and then they settle down comfortably. Now when World War II had started, all the doctors were sent to serve the Japanese army. But Dr. Sadao was not sent. उसका कारण क्या था? The general. The general was ill. He trusted only Dr. Sadao. He knew that Dr. Sadao is the best surgeon who can operate him. That is why he thought कि मुझे कभी भी उसकी नीड हो सकती है. I can need Dr. Sadao anytime. So he did not send him and kept him there only. Now one night, when he was sitting outside his house, an American Navy man who was shot, wounded, and was dying came and was on the beach. Sadao did not want to help his enemy. He was unwilling. He wanted to throw him back into the sea. He did not want to give him any medical aid. And he knew कि अगर मैं इसको help करूँगा तो I am in danger. Why? Because I am a citizen of Japan. If anyone comes to know that I have sheltered an American in my house, I may be arrested. So he did not want to do. And in this confusion, his profession wins. That becomes superior. And at last he takes a decision to save this American enemy. When he operated the patient, Hana also first of all refused, but then afterwards had to help his husband because all the servants had left when the American prisoner was brought at home. They were not willing to save this American. When Dr. Sadao saw that the patient did not need his help anymore, he was again strong, healthy, then he informed the general that he had sheltered an American, he had saved him. The general did not punish him. उसको कोई punishment नहीं दिया, उसका arrest order भी नहीं निकाला, because general was in need of Dr. Sadao. So what did he do? They made a plan, and he said he will send some private men to kill the American. But when the private men did not come, and while waiting for them, Sadao realized the essential worth of human life and universal brotherhood. उसने सोचा कि उसे इन लोगों को बचाना चाहिए. He thinks beyond all the countries, all the continents and races and wars. उसको लगा कि नो, यहाँ brotherhood होना चाहिए. We should love each other. We should be peaceful. What has this American sailor done to us? या common people क्या हमारा बिगाड़ रहे हैं? So we should love them, and that is why he rises above all these prejudices. ये जो hatred सब कुछ, and he really act in a very humanitarian way. मतलब इंसानियत की तरह उसने इंसानियत को चूज़ किया, और इंसानियत के तौर पे उसने उस अमेरिकन एनिमी को ना ही उस आइलैंड से भगाने की कोशिश की. He helped that American to run away from and escape from that island. He also got a boat with all the things in it, with the food, clothes and all, so that he may escape and go away far away where other need can be done. So that is what was in the story, The Enemy.